Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add custom background music to your Roblox game. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure to find a game that has that has music or that has boombacks, which is right here like this, the boombacks tool. So for example, I want a custom music for this game, which is Brookhaven. So you have to make sure that they do have that option. So as you can see, it is right here, which is music unlock. So basically, um, it's a tool that has boombacks, and you will be able to actually share your music to anyone, and you can uh choose any music of your choice. And yeah, but you have to make sure that you have enough Robux so that you will be able to purchase that. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, and that's how you basically uh choose your custom music. So you have to make sure that the game that you want to play has music available or has boombox tool available. And yeah, that's basically it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.